Another 30 minutes work this morning, and now, as you can see, the back end is completely finished. I went off yesterday and bought a cabinet for my cooking stove to be inserted in the top, and tomorrow I'm going to collect ottoman, shoe storage and seating to go onto the side of this cabinet. And now is starting of the bed insulation, well, installing I should say, on the back end, but undecided if I'm doing a 4-foot bed or a 5-foot bed, as this is only a medium wheelbase van. Any comments, please give them to me. And also, if there's any of my followers or people that are viewing this video that want a small job that's living around the Worcestershire area, I would like to have some assistance for installing of my Max Air fan up in the front in that section that hasn't been completed at the moment. Please contact me. Also, you can find me on Facebook, where this link will also be. Thank you very much for looking.